Hey guys, Opie here. In this video, I'm going to be stress testing my solo duo base, the Bulldozer. I posted a video last week on how to build this base if you're interested in doing that. This swipe was a ton of fun and I had a blast building this base. I'm playing this swipe with an old buddy of mine who actually got me into Rust in the first place. He doesn't play very often and he has about 300 hours total, so don't expect a ton on the PvP end of things. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope to see you in the future. Thanks. Gotta try and get a base down somewhere.
I am going to kill you.
Don't do it!
Please don't waste your time, I promise you. I just run. Do not do this to me, please. I beg of you.
You bitch!
I would have left him alone too.
After brutally killing my pursuer, I decided to slap down a quick base before I found a good location.
Bruh, I'm sorry. Where you crouched up? Here instead.
Things were going really well. I'd farmed up a lot of resources and I was ready to start building my base. And then this happened.
You're kidding me, I'm missing everything. GG's. I missed everything. I mean, I could have killed these guys. I don't have a bag in my base.
Let me introduce the first character in this story, Disgruntled Mike. This guy would play a pretty large role in this wipe and cause a lot of problems for us in the future.
Bro.
What?
I just died. I was in.
No.
I have a base D11. It's kind of shit. I kind of want to live like G9. They looted me for everything, dude. Like all of it.
Took your rock.
They took all of it, man. I got some cops and shit. I'm building right here, dude. I'm building right here.
So yeah, I was kind of frustrated. But in response, I just decided to farm up a little bit more and try to slap down a base after recycling at Mining Outpost.
It's fast to recycle, dude, on this server. That's so bothers.
Oh, I'm in N. Oh, I'm close now.
I'm F7 right now, running back to G9.
Alright, I'm going right to Outpost.
I'm just throwing this bag down and giving it to you all the way up here. You can run the road back home later.
Here we go.
Soup kitchen.
Yep.
Nice.
outpost.
Yeah,
I mean,
juicy loot.
45 claw.
Alright. Now let's do a big baller.
Get some horse down. Aggression first.
I really feel like a wild animal when I'm farming, bro. Like looking around constantly behind me. Like a rabbit, dude, just in the middle of the woods.
Just waiting to be slaughtered.
It's what happened to me last time. I was like full of loot, dude. How do I build my base again? Right there. Okay.
Is it an OP base?
It's pretty quirky.
Have you ever taken like a quarry before?
Yeah, they buffed them though. They're crazy. But they run on diesel. So.
How do you get diesel?
Different monuments have diesel. They made diesel more common. They made the loot from quarries really good.
Is this you?
I'm in a base right now.
No, don't hurt me. Come on, bro.
Where are you? Where are you?
Why are you
What
hurting me?
direction? What direction? What direction?
I'm leading to the base. I'm right outside the base.
Okay, I'm behind the base. Just run past it.
No, please, no, please, please, please. That's me. The other one.
Which one are you? Is you?
One dead. The one completely dead. It's not it's me.
Fuck. Killed them both. They are gear hogs. I don't one kid.
Yeah, me.
Oh! No, a Sammy dog.
Oh, yeah, and then me.
I killed you? It said I killed you?
I think so. Oh, I didn't pay attention.
No, I didn't get it.
But that's a lie.
Um, yes. Burmese and Sammy. Sammy dog. Step into my office.
In order to finish the base, we were going to need more scrap to research garage door and ladder hatch. So after making a play on our neighbors, we decided to head to mining outposts once again to get some more scrap.
You hear that?
No.
I hear
Oh
Sammy.
yeah, it's a Jinkibo. Oh, I see him.
Does he give
Do we
it?
go to him? You must.
Oh, I see. I think
You drop some?
I'm chasing this one down.
Loot?
I got rev. Heck is his revolver? Oh, there it is.
And of course, not seconds after making a play, I hear this.
Should I try to make a play or try to get this revolver researched?
We'll come across a revolver. That's fine. Make a play. Get that thing.
There's a Tommy kit on it, so I'm asking.
Oh, I'm embodied. I'm done. Get pumped. Oh, I'm coming for you. I know you live. You're getting raided. You better go hide in your base. Better go. What a rat.
As you can see, the body was looted by the time I got to it, and long story short, the fight basically ended like this when the grubs arrived.
Fuck, dude. Oh. No, man.
Let's go back there.
I killed Tommy and this kid ran away with it. You gotta be pulling my leg, man. I should just... Dude, it's this, like, the sunset, when that falls in front of my face, is like the worst thing ever. Cause
Can't see anything.
literally, they could not see a dead thing.
There's a kid over here too.
Where? Where's it?
At the tiny outpost.
Okay, so this kid had nothing. We gotta loot these bodies. Up the hill a little bit.
Yep. Clean.
Good spell. He's getting shot by scientists. Want to try to kill this guy?
Yeah. Nice.
Homegirl's
Just
loaded.
lettuce.
PvP Chads, fish. This is why I need you, bro.
I am so good.
Let you find
Hello,
you.
sir. Can I tickle your bum?
He's not coming in here, not today.
You wanna recycle real quick?
One step ahead of you, dog. Alright, I'm back.
I see a gamer running through the woods. There's 2 rats.
Where?
North of, or northwest of the base. I'm leading them kind of near the base.
They following you?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm pushing them.
Okay,
Crouching up.
I'm flipping back around.
Kill one.
Where's the other one?
I know you. I know you. You killed me when I was trying to get a base down.
Yeah, I could recognize that horrible duo from anywhere. I knew immediately that it was Mike.
Let's go north to try to find out where they live.
Do you want to get some stone for me, big dog?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thought you liked farming.
I love farming. It's so much fun.
Just hitting nodes all day, every day.
Dude, this is hella active outside our base. I cannot farm.
Do you know where they are?
Yeah, they're right outside of our base.
I could try to sneak up. I have no arrows. I just have a combat knife. Or should I try to hit some nodes and come back? I think I'm gonna do that. Oh, they're gonna run right into him. It's a different duo. Oh, it's It's literally
Hey, if you need an arrow, I got one that went through my forehead.
Alright, I guess I go hunt these guys down. That's the play.
What?
Are you getting bodied right now?
I killed them both. What's up, bitch? Really got 2 crosses off those guys. They're terrible, dude.
Left sick.
Alright, we're just chilling.
I'm ready.
Let's go farm god.
There's a rat.
Where?
It's the satellite looking thing.
Oh, this guy's on there. Nice. Is it Mike?
It is. Nope. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, Mike is good. Let's take it all.
He's back.
Coming. Just try not to die. If you run to me,
I'm full dead.
just leave that, come back. What the fuck? How do they see me? I killed both. Got everything.
Alright, coming.
Oh, he's killing me.
Dead.
God, I'm dead. There's two. Oh, I killed them both. Yeah, I was done with roaming. We needed stones, so I decided to turn my attention to farming.
You need more stone or just metal? Okay, Christian,
Please don't kill me.
we're dead. I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. Alrighty. Back to not having any wood. Are you fucking shitting me, bro? Like, what? There's no way you can't be. It's a fucking stone hatchet, bro.
I need it, man.
You don't need that, bro. Like, you don't need that.
I need the stone axe. I don't have stone, man. I need stone. I have 2 stone, man.
Bro, do you want, if I give you some stone, you leave me alone, bro?
If I give you your wood,
Give him a pistol to the face.
Wait, can you drop the wood, please?
Can we at least acknowledge that this is awkward?
Fuck, dude. He's gone.
man, that wasn't the deal, man.
I don't care, bro. Fuck you, dude. You're a little camping rat. What?
Give me like 200 stone and I'm gone. 200. 200.
Where is he?
Fucking no. I hate you, bro. I hate you. You dead?
Yeah.
I hate you, bro. I thought that was you. I thought that was you. Oh my god, dude, we're terrible. He's killed me 3 times with a salvage pickaxe, man. Gamer. Yeah, so I ended up losing the footage of him killing me for a 4th time, but he did, and we thought he was in our airlock again, so I go to check it right now. You put a shotgun trap facing inwards?
I thought we trapped him.
Where'd you get a shotgun trap from?
I told you, I found one.
Shit has me dying, bro. Okay, alright, well. I was like, am I dead? He was about to get murked. What's up, gamer?
Cross.
Welcome to the chat check, bro. This will be a shop front on the left. I know it doesn't make sense. Well, with the base mostly upgraded at this point, we decided to run a mining outpost to get some very much needed scrap and components. It's probably the worst car I've ever seen, though. Okay.
There's a rat right here, just so you know.
Between us?
Yep. He's behind me.
Twice? You're bad.
Give me your loot.
There's a bow behind you.
Alright, let's run to outpost and recycle. I got full inventory.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, loot.
What?
Come here, come here, come here.
Get in front of you. Once. Twice. Is he loaded too?
Major loot.
Shit, it's the guy who camps us, bro. Misery
It
lives.
is.
Oh, guy right here. Hit once. Fish. Oh, it's him. How is he already back? We just killed him. Oh, he's our neighbor, dude. Oh, he's our neighbor. I'm gonna camp on him. I'm gonna camp on him. Where does he live in that condo one? Oh, I don't know. Fuck. Is he between you and me?
Yeah, I think he pushed your body. Got him.
Bitch.
Fuck you.
Oh, it's that rat.
There it is.
Come loot your body.
You just got a lot of stuff, dude. No cap.
Yep.
Okay, I gotta readjust this base now. Yo, box heaven. I heard one of my neighbors chopping trees nearby, so I went to go check it out. Space. Wow. We don't really need to get into it, but the fight kind of ended like this. Fuck! I'm dead. Full dead. I want a name.
Stupid bitch.
Big slime. After mulling it over, we realized we really didn't want these guys in our area, so we went to go farm up some scrap and get some sulfur to research this satchel. Oh, I see one.
Right.
Immediately just came out.
No headshot.
I think I clocked on like 0.2 seconds. That didn't take long, boys. Yeah, so every time I tried to hit wood, these guys would immediately come out of their base. And this is when I made an abominable rookie mistake.
I hit one of them a headshot.
Thanks for the sulfur. Peace out, bud. Thanks, bud.
Dude, they got our sulfur, man.
How?
They killed me when I opened the door.
Why didn't you depot the sulfur?
It was cooking in the furnace. It all seemed pretty lost until Fisher came up with a brilliant idea. Man, we're taking so many L's.
Make me a DV right now. I'm gonna sit outside their base.
Okay, I'm crafting us a bunch of DBs. Look, I just want to say that I know door camping is wrong, but when you're a duo, arguably a solo, and you're also terrible at the game, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. That sulfur hit, I'm not gonna lie, that was a hard hit. That was like 2.5k sulfur.
Just so confused.
Is this ratty? Absolutely. But
I love it.
if I kill them, will my morale just skyrocket? Yeah. To be honest, it will.
I need it. Oh,
Kind of worried.
what?
That's the sound of all our sulfur fully smelted. Did you hear that?
Yep.
Oh man, it hurts. It hurts
You dead?
No, I'm still alive. I'm outside the door. Go back.
Just hold him. Oh, thanks for Python, bro.
Okay, now it's time for base upgrades.
After sufficiently upgrading the base, we decided to do military tunnels. It was in the opposite direction where all the action was happening, and we figured it might be a safe way to get some more scrap. You jumping around? Got
Right
me,
here.
got me.
Sure, it might be me.
No, it's not. He's innocent. On me. Dead. Lit as fuck. He's dead, but you can loot him. He's in the front of this thing.
Oh, there is a recycler. Those nails go.
Let me like split. Don't take all of it. Just split it.
I took it out.
That works, man. I get it. No, you're,
Yep.
you're good.
You want me to split it?
No,
Or no?
just do what you would do normally. Just be yourself. How much scrap do you have? 118.
I have 200.
Oh shit. Stab. Oh my god. What the fuck?
Let's fill it. No.
For real. This is rev. See his rev anywhere? We need it. We need
Yeah, I got it.
What to do now? We're into Full circle. Using the scrap we'd gotten from that run, I researched and I crafted the python that we'd gotten from door camping our neighbors, and I went for a roam. Okay, we can go back.
There's a rat here.
Where?
80.
I see this. I'm just gonna push out and close.
I'm right behind you.
I think he went down, but
I think he did too.
wanna go down?
Yeah, I know.
Just come right back. Yeah.
What do you want me to bring?
Nothing. It's yourself. Yeah, this kid's coming up.
You want me to wait? You want me to wait?
Oh my god, you just scared the living shit out of me, bro. Please
got Tommy.
never do that. Never be.
I'm with you. Depot.
This is you?
I'm approaching. We gotta get garage doors. That has to be a number one priority
Do
right
we
now.
have SMG bodies in this?
Yes.
Oh, there's already a hunk of dirty in there.
Dude, there's also people that camp here with DBs, just so you're aware.
There's a kid here. I see, has it. He's inside.
We're getting shot.
You killed him? He's full dead. The guy on the hill. What's his Thompson? You should just go. You coming in?
Yeah.
Okay, just got it.
Yeah, let's go depot the Tommy.
Alright, profited a full Tommy. Using all the remaining scrap that I had in the base, I decided to research garage door and ladder hatch before getting off for the night. Well, after finishing up the base, we decided to call it for the night. We were getting pretty tired at this point. I just want to say thank you guys if you made it to the end of this video. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video as you see the worst duo in Rust defend against raids, counter raids, and even go on raids of our own. Thanks guys again so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out.